Hi friends, it's Yana here and welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday and I hope you had a great day. I hope you got to sew something. I am actually working on a tester sew, which I'm super excited about. Can't show you what it is yet, but I will show you later. But I did get a box. Remember I told you about how the thread I was using the other day was pure boo. Anyway, I ordered some thread from WAWAK and some other things, so I wanted to unbox this with you. So let's do it together. And I know I was not ready to do this today, but since I want to sew, I got to get my thread out of here and I wanted to show it to you. So here we are. Let's open it together. Grab my horrible scissors. These are the scissors that I have cut paper with and open boxes with, and doesn't do well with fabric anymore. So that's what these are for. We're gonna get these out. I don't have an over the thing camera right now because it is very dark in here. It's nighttime, so you're gonna have to look at it. But it honestly is just thread, so it really doesn't really matter. This is not even a fun video, but since you're here. Okay, so I wanted to show you, this is the kind of thread I like to use for my serger. I know I get this question sometimes, so this is kind of why I wanted to go show you. So this is an all-purpose maxi lock serger thread. So I like to use either the all-purpose, but sometimes I like to use the maxi lock stretch. I did not get any of the maxi lock stretch. I don't know why, but for knits, I still have some left over. For knits, that's a really good thread because it's fuzzy. So it likes the fibers knit together better when you have a stretch knit, but you can use all purpose just as well. So I got white, and they had like how you buy their things, like their sale is if you buy like 5 or more, you get a little bit of a better price, and I'm gonna use them anyway. So I think I bought 5 of each color. Yeah, I think I did. And I just go with the regular colors. So I've got 5 white, I got 5 black, and these are for my sergers. So if I want to use color for top stitching, usually I just buy the pack of the smalls, and right now I have a ton left still, so that's why I didn't buy any more of the small thread. But you can also use this thread to wind your bobbins. So like sometimes if I want to use the solid color thread, I can wind my bobbins with that. I got like a taupe color right here, so if I do like a pink or a light blue or like a light color, I will do this. If I do something that has a white backing, a lot of fabrics have white backing, I'll use the white. If I'm doing black, obviously I'll do the black. And if I'm doing a color that's like a denim color or like a dark like an olive tone or something like that, then I'll use these here. And honestly, I thought I had ordered, yeah, I did. I was like, I thought I had ordered needles. I also ordered needles because I am kind of running low, and the other day my needle was being a little finicky and I didn't have a new one to change it into, so I figured I ordered some needles for my sewing machine. And so I went ahead and also ordered some needles for my serger. So I don't even know how to say this brand. Schmitz, whatever it is. This is the brand of needles. I have Overlock Universal. I got a set of just the regular universal needles. I use universals a lot. I got Overlock Universal, so another set of that, and then another universal. I thought I had gotten some stretch knit ones, but I guess I didn't. Let me see. Look at my receipt, y'all. My address is on there. Let me see. I did not order any. Yeah, I didn't. I just ordered universals. That's okay. That's the one I use the most. And then they send you the catalog. Thank you for purchasing. And they send you the catalog that has a bunch of stuff in it, and you can look through and browse and see everything that they offer. I use WAWAK for a lot. Like my cutting mats are for WAWAK. I got my pins from my clips, I'm sorry, from WAWAK. I get scissors from WAWAK. I get stem rippers from WAWAK. Did I say my cutting mats are from WAWAK? A lot of things from them because it's a fast shipping, and they have good prices, so I love them. So if you're trying to find somewhere to buy thread or to buy like notions for sewing, I recommend them. They do a great job. So anyway, I just wanted to open this up with you and wish you a happy Saturday, a happy weekend, and I hope to see you again soon. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. When I see you subscribing, it's like so exciting because I get new friends and it just makes me want to do more videos and everything to share with you all my iron. It's like, yay, it's cheering, not sharing, cheering. But anyway, and so it's really exciting. So I really hope that you subscribe to my channel so you never miss our tutorials. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. Also know that I've gotten questions about my projector. I do have videos on my projector right here, projector sewing and cutting, and I do a whole series on free patterns. So if you are looking for free patterns, make sure you check out my free pattern series. And if you see any patterns on there that are now not free anymore, let me know. There are a couple that have been free and I did the tutorial, and then all of a sudden I found out they're not free anymore, so I have to get them out of there. But anyway, and if there's any patterns that you're like, oh, I wish you could sew this up, or how do I sew this up, or oh, I want to see this sewn up, comment below and let me know. Also follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Eloise.Ezra. And if you follow me on there, if there's any inspiration that you're like, I wish you could tell me what pattern I could use for this, or how could I make this this outfit or whatever, send them my way, because I love to get inspiration for my next videos and everything. But anyway, I got all my thread and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to use it. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.